Listen.
Story 15. The Tree in the Backyard. 2. Why didn't the tree live through the last winter? I asked. It wasn't a cold winter. My mother looked at the tree. She noticed that the roots came out of the ground, which was caused by a strong wind in the fall. This must be the reason, she said. We didn't protect the roots. The tree's gone. Now, I know how important the roots are.
Roots are important to everything.
Read aloud.